Our planet faces a mounting crisis: waste. Every day, tons of waste are generated globally, from household rubbish to industrial byproducts. This issue presents a formidable challenge to our environment and future. We will explore the global solid waste problem and sustainable solutions. The scale of global waste is staggering. The world generates over 2 billion tons of waste annually. This is projected to reach 3.4 billion tons by 2050. These figures endanger our planet's health. Waste composition varies across regions. High-income countries generate more plastic, paper, and electronic waste. Lower-income nations grapple with more organic waste. Understanding these disparities is crucial for effective waste reduction. The environmental consequences of mismanaged waste are both profound and far-reaching. Uncontrolled dumping and improper waste disposal contaminate land and water resources, posing serious risks to ecosystems and human health alike. Leachate, the toxic liquid produced as waste decomposes, can seep into groundwater, polluting drinking water sources and harming aquatic life. Furthermore, plastic waste poses a particularly grave threat to our oceans. Millions of tons of plastic end up in our seas each year, endangering marine life and disrupting fragile marine ecosystems. Plastic debris can entangle marine animals, leading to injury or death, while microplastics, tiny particles of plastic, are ingested by marine organisms, potentially entering the food chain and ultimately impacting human health. The environmental impacts of waste extend beyond pollution. Waste generation contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating climate change. Landfills, for instance, release methane, a potent greenhouse gas, as organic waste decomposes. Incineration, while reducing waste volume, also releases harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and respiratory problems. Section 4. Current waste management. A system strained. Current waste management practices, primarily focused on disposal, are proving increasingly unsustainable. Landfilling, the most prevalent method globally, involves burying waste in the ground. While seemingly straightforward, landfills require vast land areas, generate harmful greenhouse gases, and risk contaminating surrounding soil and groundwater if not properly managed. Incineration, another common disposal method, involves burning waste at high temperatures. While reducing waste volume and potentially generating energy, incineration releases air pollutants and produces toxic ash that requires careful disposal. Recycling, though often touted as a solution, faces limitations. Not all materials are recyclable, and recycling processes themselves consume energy and resources. The limitations of these conventional waste management approaches underscore the urgent need for a paradigm shift. We must transition from a linear take, make, dispose model towards a more circular economy that emphasizes waste reduction, reuse, and recycling, thereby minimizing our environmental footprint and conserving valuable resources. Section 5. Charting a sustainable future, rethinking waste. To address the global waste crisis, a multi-pronged approach encompassing individual actions, systemic changes, and technological innovation is paramount. Reducing waste at its source through mindful consumption habits is crucial. This involves opting for reusable alternatives to single-use plastics, reducing food waste, and supporting companies with sustainable practices. Composting organic waste rather than sending it to landfills offers a natural and effective means of waste diversion. Compost enriches soil fertility, reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, and minimizes methane emissions from landfills. Embracing the principles of a circular economy where waste is viewed as a resource is essential for decoupling economic growth from environmental degradation. Policy initiatives play a pivotal role in driving sustainable waste management practices. Governments can incentivize waste reduction through policy, such as extended producer responsibility programs, which hold manufacturers accountable for the entire life cycle of their products. Technological advancements in waste-to-energy technologies and biodegradable material are promising solutions for a more sustainable future. Section 6. Turning the tide, a collective call to action. The global waste crisis is a multifaceted challenge demanding immediate and concerted action. Each individual has a crucial role to play in mitigating this crisis through responsible consumption, waste reduction, and advocating for systemic change. By embracing sustainable practices in our daily lives, we contribute to a collective effort towards a cleaner, healthier planet. Governments, businesses and communities must work collaboratively to implement policies that promote waste reduction, resource recovery and a transition to a circular economy. This includes investing in waste management infrastructure, supporting research and development of innovative technologies and fostering a culture of environmental stewardship. The path forward is clear. We must embrace a future where waste is not an end product but a valuable resource. By working together, we can turn the tide on the global waste crisis and create a world where economic prosperity and environmental sustainability go hand in hand. The time for action is now.